Guys, today we are making a Lego City flood view. See, I forgot. I kept taking pictures instead of. You see, there's a lot of people dead by now. So yeah, look at this bank robber and look at this woman. This woman's like, nothing's happening, nothing's happening. She's looking outside a window like nothing's happening. It's just a rainy day. Never the flood water's up. Oh, the guy with the trophy just fell over. Oh, the limousine is sinking. I don't think the plane... Wait, can I look inside the plane real quick? Look, just keep the hose on. I look inside the plane. Well, I should keep it dry inside there.
Here, go.
Probably flood.
Here, go take it.
Alright, you take the camera.
No.
Alright. Look, I'm already...
Check the plane.
Alright, let's see if it's flooding any. I don't think it's let me look inside. Oh, it's flooding. The bricks are not tight enough to not actually let it flood in. But I should let it flood more. I amped up the water power. So now it's really raining.
Yeah, watch out.
Why are you doing that? No, you're... Look at the city! Oh, look at the bank robber. Now his face is getting into the money. His face is in the money. Dun 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 dun. Lego City flood! Yeah, Lego City flood!
What is it?
Lego City flood! Lego City. Oh, they won't come off.
They might.
Nah, I don't think they will.
I don't think that's even, the plane is gonna even float up in it.
Yeah, it's just, right now it's just overflowing.
There.
It's like the movie Sully.
Yeah, it's just flooding. No, just put the hose in the water so it merges out the sound. So it's just like the water level is just rising.
Harry, no, don't get in it.
Oh, look, all the
Oh.
do you see the money just floating around now?
Yes, look at the plane. It's floating up a little bit.
Oh, yes, it is floating. And it attacked the airport. Look, it attacked the airport.
Oh, it scared me.
The airplane has ran into it. The airplane has ran into the airport.
It's funny. It's like attacking the people. Wait, let me just, here. This guy's just like, I'm swimming.
Oh, no. No, I should look inside. I should look inside now.
Let me look inside. Here, I'm just gonna take this off, okay?
Oh,
It's flooded.
Oh, okay.
the flight attendant's dead by now. Flight attendant's the rock star now.
Look, this car's already flooded.
This girl is living. This girl is still living.
And so's that guy.
That girl. Look, they're all on it.
Look.
They're still trading the flashlight. Well, this is the best time for the flashlight.
Ari, no, Ari, no more
Because it's a
people.
flood. Dun, dun, dun. She's bringing in the people. Just pour them all out in this. Harder! Harder!
Oh, look, there's a banana. There's a banana.
Banana. That came from the grocery store.
He's pushing on me.
Well, I don't think he even.
Ari, why are you playing in it?
I do. Oh, behind the fire.
Dirty.
I don't know.
Ari, those Legos are probably dirty and got some germs in it.
Apparently, you just said he did.
Oh, no, let him go. Just leave him alone. They're flooding.
They're flying. Like, sure.
The airplane is underwater. Look, it's spinning around.
I know. I could sure use. Oh, Ari.
It's the attack. Here comes the attack. Yeah, now let's see the damage. Let's do a damage assessment. Look.
Assessment, not assessment.
All right, assessment. All right. It looks like these two people are just riding a floating airport. Oh no, put the building back in. Let go of the cars.
You just got your iPad in the water.
It'll be fine. All right. No. All right.
He